How to download and play Uncharted The Lost Legacy on your PC or laptop safely and easily. Now, before I start, this game is not free and I highly recommend avoiding any pirated or cracked versions. They are illegal and can fill your computer with viruses, malware, and even get your account banned. Instead, here's the safe and legal way to get the game at the lowest possible price. So open either Steam or the Epic Game Store. Both platforms officially sell Uncharted: The Lost Legacy as part of the Uncharted. So Legacy of Thieves collection, which include Uncharted 4 and The Lost Legacy. So you need to search for Uncharted and add it to your wish list. This way you will get notified whenever it goes on sale, and keep an eye out for a Steam summer or winter sales or epic seasonal discounts. This collection often gets big price drops, so you can grab it as much cheaper rates. Once you have purchased it, click install in your Steam or Epic Games launcher. Follow the on-screen steps and the game will start downloading and installing automatically. You can also use price tracking sites like Is There Any Deal to find the lowest official prices available online. So remember, always download game from the official source only to keep your system safe and your gameplay smooth. That's it for today's video. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to more videos and tutorials so you don't miss out our next gaming guides. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.